nuts!
No.
Space Turkey. He sleep with his eyes open. It's creepy.
Powder horn.
Grandpa Jake, tell us the story again about the horn.
That old chestnut.
I think the space turkey has gone crazy.
Stupid mutts.
What is that?
Somebody named Ranger might need a little proof.
That's one?
What is it? That's two! We did it! Fire! Fire! What's that noise? The fire!
Okay, Furley, play it cool, and maybe they will take us back to the future so we can have an excellent adventure. Ooh.
What have you done?
It was the space turkey! Tell him, Furley. What it?
You've been to the fort!
No, you don't understand. We destroyed the weapons and traps. We even got the hunter's wagon. It's gone. We blew it up. Who is he?
How did you do this?
Actually, it was Jake's plan.
Thanks, buddy.
How do we know you're telling the truth?